Hey crypto friends, this is going to be video number 11 out of 17 of my Crypto Trading for Beginners series, and today I will be talking to you guys about all of the different trading time frames, which ones are going to be the best for you to trade based on your personal trading style, and which ones you should be paying attention to the most as well. All right. Now, before we actually go ahead and dive into the video, for those of you who are interested in trading and want to take it seriously, and you would like to try out the same crypto exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange here, and you can find a link to it in the description below this video. All right, guys, so when you guys open up a crypto chart, one of the very first things that you are going to notice here is going to be the time frames. All right, we've got our time frames right up in here in the top left hand corner. All right, so that's going to be one of the first things that you are going to notice. All right, and you can switch between time frames such as the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, all kinds of different time frames. But how do you know which one that you should be trading on, right? The answer to this question honestly depends on your personality, your trading style, and the time that you personally have available to trade on any given day. All right. And for those of you who might be super new to trading and aren't even sure what time frames even are, they simply show the length of time each candlestick on a chart represents. For example, on the 4-hour charts, each candle represents 4 hours worth of price action, and on the daily chart, each candle represents 1 full day of price action. So, as you guys can clearly see here, we are on the 4-hour chart. So each and every single one of these candles that you see represents 4 hours worth of price activity. All right. Now, when we go to shorter time frames show more detail in the market, but they are also more noisy. All right. And larger time frames, such as like the 4-hour chart or the daily chart or the weekly chart or even the monthly chart, tend to show more of the bigger, broad picture, but they do move slower. So to start this video off, we're basically going to talk about the most common time frames used in crypto trading based on various different trading styles. All right. Now, the first trading style is going to be scalping. All right, scalping is basically when you use the charts such as the 1 minute chart or the 5 minute charts, and these time frames are going to be best for traders who tend to think faster than others, and people who are more comfortable with having high stress. They love speed. They love constant action, and they love being glued to their screens. All right, just to go ahead and show you an example of this, this is the 5 minute chart, where each and every single candle represents 5 minutes of trading activity, and you can clearly see it's much more erratic than if you were to go to the 4-hour charts and look at those candles. All right, so that is scalping. And the next trading style is going to be intraday or day trading, which is basically when you use the 15-minute charts up to the 1-hour charts usually. And these time frames are usually best for traders who want regular activity but don't want to hold on to their trades overnight while they are sleeping. And this is the type of trading that I personally do on an everyday basis as well, simply because it's what works best for me personally and my own personality. Now, after that, we've got after day trading, we have got swing trading, which is when you're using the 4-hour charts or the 1-day charts. And these types of time frames are best for traders who aren't able to watch their charts all day long, but are able to look at them at least a couple times throughout the day. So if you're somebody who prefers more of a slower approach and wants to hold on to trades for, like a few days or a few weeks at a time, swing trading might be the best for you, which would be the 4-hour charts or the 1-day charts. All right. Now, the last type of trading style we're going to talk about here is going to be position trading, which is basically when you're using the weekly or monthly charts and is considered long-term trading. And this type of trading is best for people who believe in crypto's long-term growth. And these types of traders typically only check their charts maybe once or twice a week. So if you're a very patient person with more of a long-term mindset, then this is going to be the best type of trading style for you. All right. But realistically, if you're still asking yourself which time frame is best for you, then go ahead and ask yourself these three questions, all right? The first question is, how much time do I realistically have to trade on a daily basis? If you have lots of free time, then scalping or day trading on the smaller time frames will be best for you. But if you have more of a busy schedule throughout the day, then swing trading with a higher time frame might be best for you. Now, the second question to ask yourself is going to be, how do I handle stress? If you're a fan of high stress and you love fast action and can handle the pressure, then the smaller time frames will be best for you. But if you prefer more of a calmer approach with less noise, then the larger time frames are going to be much, much better for you. Now, the third question that you can ask yourself is what are my overall trading goals? Here's the thing. If you're looking for small and quick profits, then scalping or day trading the smaller time frames are probably going to be best for you. But if you're looking for bigger gains that are less frequent, then swing trading or position trading on the larger time frames are going to be best for you. Overall, though, guys, there really is no such thing as the best time frame to trade on. It's all about which time frames fit your personal lifestyle and personality the best. All right. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't like hearing that, but it is absolutely true. It's the same reason why, not everybody trades the same time frame. Because everybody has different personality, everybody has different trading goals, everybody trades differently. All right. So again, it's all about what fits your personal lifestyle and your personality the best. And my personal suggestion to you would be to experiment with different time frames simply to see which ones feel the most natural to you. And over time, you'll find a rhythm that matches your lifestyle and your trading goals by doing this. All right. Now, guys, in the next part of this 17 video beginner series, I will be talking about risk management and risk management best practices to follow so that you guys can thrive in the crypto market as a beginner trader. But before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys are serious about trading or serious about learning how to trade and you haven't already joined, then I would like to go ahead and invite you guys to my premium crypto trading education Discord server where you can ask me questions, you can get one-on-one help anytime you want it, you can see how I personally trade in real time, and you can get even more in-depth knowledge on trading in general. And you can find a link to that server in the description below this video as well. Outside of that, though, guys, if you guys enjoyed this one and you feel like you got some pretty decent value out of this video, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below the video to help me out. And with that said, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched this entire video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos.